2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Rebel 300. In the ever-evolving landscape of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 stands out as a stylish and approachable option, embodying the perfect fusion of classic cruiser design and modern functionality. Renowned for its compact size, user-friendly features, and comfortable ergonomics, the Rebel 300 is an ideal choice for riders taking their inaugural ride into the world of motorcycling. 1. Timeless cruiser design. The Honda Rebel 300 immediately captures attention with its classic cruiser styling. Drawing inspiration from its larger siblings in the Rebel lineup, the Rebel 300 features a low-slung silhouette, minimalistic bodywork, and a teardrop fuel tank that pays homage to traditional cruiser aesthetics. The bike's design not only appeals to riders seeking a timeless look but also provides a confidence-inspiring presence on the road. 2. Manageable power and performance. Powered by a 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, the Rebel 300 strikes a balance between performance and approachability. The engine's smooth power delivery and manageable torque make it an excellent choice for riders who are new to motorcycling. The Rebel 300 offers enough power to make the ride enjoyable without overwhelming beginners, allowing them to confidently adapt to the nuances of riding. 3. Compact and lightweight build. Weighing in at a modest figure, the Rebel 300's compact and lightweight build contributes to its easy maneuverability. Novice riders will appreciate the bike's nimble handling, which is crucial for navigating city streets, parking lots, and tight corners. The bike's approachable size ensures that riders of all statures can confidently handle it, promoting a sense of control and comfort. 4. Comfortable and upright riding position. The Rebel 300's rider-centric design extends to its ergonomics. The bike features a comfortable and upright riding position, enhancing comfort during extended rides. The well-padded seat and mid-mounted foot pegs create a relaxed riding posture, making it an ideal choice for both daily commuting and leisurely weekend rides. 5. User-friendly features. Tailored for beginners, the Rebel 300 incorporates user-friendly features that simplify the riding experience. The straightforward controls, easy-to-read instrument panel, and a light clutch make it an excellent platform for riders new to the world of motorcycling. The Rebel 300 ensures that beginners can focus on enjoying the ride without being overwhelmed by unnecessary complexities. Conclusion. In the diverse landscape of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 stands out as a perfect synthesis of style and accessibility. Its timeless cruiser design, manageable power, lightweight build, comfortable ergonomics, and user-friendly features make it an ideal choice for riders embarking on their motorcycling journey. Whether cruising through city streets, exploring scenic routes, or seeking a bike that effortlessly blends form and function, the Rebel 300 delivers on multiple fronts. As a testament to Honda's commitment to providing an engaging and welcoming riding experience, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 rightfully claims its place as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in the current market.